Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wellness from Home, and today we're talking about a simple and natural way to protect your eyes from diseases using vitamins. If you spend a lot of time in front of screens or just want to keep your vision sharp, incorporating the right vitamins into your routine is key. Let's dive right in. With more of us working from home and using screens, our eyes are under constant strain. But did you know that certain vitamins can actually help protect your vision and keep your eyes healthy? Let's go over the top vitamins that can make a real difference. First up, we have vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for good vision and overall eye health. It helps protect the cornea and keeps your eyes moist. You can find vitamin A in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. So make sure you're adding these to your meals. Next, we've got vitamin C. This powerhouse antioxidant helps prevent cataracts and can reduce the risk of macular degeneration. It's found in citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as bell peppers and broccoli. A daily dose of vitamin C will help keep your eyes in top shape. Then there's vitamin E, which protects the eyes from oxidative stress and free radicals, both of which can damage your vision over time. You'll find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. Lastly, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential for maintaining the health of the retina and preventing dry eyes. Foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts are great sources of omega-3s. Adding these vitamins into your daily routine is easier than you think. You can make a smoothie with spinach, oranges, and chia seeds, or just snack on some almonds and sunflower seeds during the day. The goal is to include a variety of these foods in your meals to give your eyes all the nutrients they need. By adding these natural vitamins into your diet, you'll not only keep your eyes healthy, but also improve your overall well-being. Plus, they're super easy to find and incorporate into your everyday meals. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips from home. What are your favorite ways to keep your eyes healthy? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.